Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 isn't charging properly or if the cable feels loose, you're not alone. This issue can often stem from wear and tear on the charging cable, which can lead to poor connectivity. If left unaddressed, you may find yourself unable to charge your device at all, rendering it useless. To fix this, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement charging cable compatible with the Dyson HS01, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully using the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing of the Dyson HS01. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Once open, locate the charging connector inside. This is typically where the cable connects to the device. You may notice some screws holding the connector in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, applying gentle pressure to avoid stripping them. After the screws are removed, gently pull the connector out, being cautious of any attached wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old connector is out, take your replacement cable and connect it to the designated port, ensuring it fits snugly. Reinsert any screws you previously removed to secure the connector back in place. Now, before closing the casing, it's advisable to test the connection. Plug in the device to see if it charges properly. If it does, carefully reassemble the casing, making sure all clips are aligned and locked in place. When finished, try charging your Dyson HS01 one more time to ensure everything is functioning as it should. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to handle your charging cable with care. Avoid pulling on the cable to unplug it and store your device in a safe location when not in use. Regularly check your cable for signs of wear and replace it at the first sign of damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.